the world is beating you down.
I just love to sing, and it's one of my true passions.
You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you.
Madison Tevlin's rendition of John Legend's song All of Me has turned her into an overnight singing sensation.
I'm out of my mind.
This was definitely not a video done as an audition for American Idol or X Factor or anything like that. I mean, nobody here believes that that's something that's happening in the next little while or maybe any time at all. The idea was to really show somebody who has Down syndrome, who is incredibly high functioning, and try to, dispel some of the myths that are out there about people with special needs.
The video is interspersed with information about Down syndrome to highlight the challenges Madison had to overcome.
What do you think about the words that are on the video where it says most people with Down syndrome can't sing and things like that? It's harder for you. Yeah.
It's like it's harder for me to sing and stuff, but actually when I caught it up, it felt really good, and it's a big relief for me.
Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections.
You have to be very patient and understanding because some things are really hard to get. Like, I know that Madison has been working on tying her shoelaces for a long time and just is finally getting it.
'Cause all me.
The recording came about after Madison started singing lessons and was originally only intended for friends and family.
Once the comments started pouring in, we did make a conscious decision to leave them on. Not all of them are great comments, but that's okay. That's actually that's a really good reason to actually keep the comments on and let the discussion happen.
Much of the criticism levelled at this video asks whether it objectifies disability.
Disabled people can get really jaded by schmaltzy videos that have been clearly made to inspire, because I think some get a bit worried that it shows a false impression of what they themselves can and can't achieve, when actually every disabled person is different and every disability has a spectrum, so nobody is the same. But at the same time, it's so useful for disabled people to have role models, and there aren't enough role models out there.
Well, Madison has